Okay, I'm going to do a short and sweet video on sealing up vehicle lights. Now you can't do this on headlights unless you have a high temperature sealant because they get pretty hot. These are my blinkers out of my F-150. And the problem I have, front blinkers obviously, is that they were leaking. Now there's mastic that they use to seal these up, and you can pry them open and get the lid off. One thing you cannot do is on the lenses. I do believe they use silver, and they put a coating of silver on here. But if you try to clean the lens, reflective lens on the inside, you wind up scratching them. I did rinse one out and it had some algae in it, but then that's going to leave some residue. So what I do, I took a pressure washer and I pressure washed the outer edge, of course, carefully, right, to get all the algae out of here and all the dirt. But before I did that, I took them to the sink and I scrubbed them with a nail brush to try and get in this crack, and then I used a pipe cleaner, ran the pipe cleaner up in here to try and clean up as much as I could, and then pressure washed them. Excuse me. Then pressure washed them. You can tell I'm allergic to this stuff. So clean them up, and then if you get water in them, you can take the bulb out, and you can rinse them out if when you're cleaning them there's some algae in them. It's pretty much all you can do. I don't recommend taking the lens off and cleaning them because you'll scratch the reflective material in there. See it? So of course it's going to leave some water stains, but you know, I'm okay with that. It's still going to do its job. It's more important on the headlights that that reflective material isn't damaged at all. But anyway, long story short, use some 3-minute gasket maker on anything that's not a headlight, and you can go ahead and seal these up. Get around the perimeter, okay, make sure they're all sealed, and then wipe off any excess on the front. So I'll clean that up. I can see it right there. I'll clean it up later when it's dry, and then reinstall them. And then now you have a seal, rubber seal here, you see it? That seals the light bulb to the housing. And this one looks okay. You can check those out and make sure they are intact and not split or broken. But anyway, hopefully this helps somebody out with sealing up your lights, tail lights, side marker lights, whatever have you, except headlights. Over now.